What is up? So I am starting a YouTube channel apparently. I'm on quarantine due to COVID-19 and my wife bought an air fryer. So I decided that since I am home on FMLA with my kids, two of them, that I will just air fry things and make videos. So yeah, they're not going to be very high quality probably. Odds are I will get interrupted by children in basically every video, but nonetheless, that's what I'm going to do. So I don't even remember if I told you, my wife obviously bought this NuWave Brio 14 quarts air fryer oven. Has a temperature probe, rotisserie utensils. Yeah, all sorts of cool stuff that you can do with it. Obviously, you see the rotisserie, sear, warm. Use the temperature probe. I mean, it's pretty simple to use. On, preheat 375. We'll say start. So it'll preheat then. Alright, gonna cut it off and open it up. So yeah, it came with 3 racks. In the bottom there is a nice pan to catch things that drip. Makes it really easy to clean. Had it for about 2 weeks, been trying out various things. And yeah, so I decided to just start videoing and kind of see what happens. Another cool thing, easy cleanup. The door pops right off. You can take it over the sink, wash it up, and pop it right back on. Well, yeah, I mean, it's been kind of cool. I found that it's very good for reheating foods, making frozen foods. Starting to get a little more into actually like cooking meals with it. Hasn't always worked out great for me thus far, but still learning. Nonetheless, I'm going to be posting up videos. You're going to see this view of this, like 4-foot stretch of countertop a lot. If you have any requests or anything that you would like to see me try to make, yeah, just put them in the comments. I will include a link to this specific air fryer oven in the comments, or I'm sorry, the description below, so check it out there. But yeah, looking forward to this as a way to stay sane during this strange time.